right, we're here today with Mrs. Byers, also known as Mrs. B.
Hello.
And we're going to learn a little bit more about her today. Can you tell us about your educational background?
I can. I went to Hillsdale College in the 80s. I gotta love that 80s hair, and that's where I got my bachelor's degree, and then I got a master's degree from Ashland University.
Nice. What about your educational experience? Where all have you taught?
I started teaching in South Carolina, way up here in upstate, and then when I moved back to Ohio, I taught at Groveport, Madison, same as Mr. Scott, and then I went back to being a Falcon again.
Nice, nice. Go Falcons. How about some personal information? What do you have to share with us?
Well, for personal information, I am a Fairfield Union graduate, so I was here in the early 80s. I was in the band, and I played basketball. I was also in Assembly Singers. My husband and I live on 71 acres and have lots of animals.
Yes.
At our house. We have turkeys, we have deer, you name it. We have coyote, you name it, we have everything. But where we'd really like to be is on a lake. My two things in my life that are really the most important to me, number one is my motorcycle. If I could ride this all day long, I would. If I could get paid to ride that, I would. And second would be my dog, Scout, who has taken up the treadmill over the summer. And I'm a little concerned because I really think he's going to be sad now that I'm back at work and I'm not with him anymore.
Aww. Those sound like fun hobbies. What can the kids expect from our class rules, and what kind of expectations do you have of them?
Okay, well, I expect all of my kids to show up every day prepared and ready to learn. If an assignment has been given to you to do on your own time and you need help, I expect you to ask for help if you need it, because that's what I'm here for. That's what all of us are here for the kids. When it comes to class rules, I expect you to be to class on time. I expect you to be working hard while you're here, and I expect you to be honest about everything.
Sounds good. Sounds good. What kind of standards are we going to cover? What kind of things will we do in class?
Well, in English class, obviously, we have reading standards and we have writing standards, but we also have speaking and listening skills. Everybody's favorite, getting up in front of the class and talking. So it kind of changes things this year with the pandemic. It's a little difficult to do group work and group presentations, but we will have quite a bit of that. And we are going to focus a lot on understanding universal theme. And one of the themes that we're going to spend some time on throughout the whole year is the theme, man is not truly one, but truly two. In other words, we choose what we show the world about ourselves. And we are going to explore that through lots of world literature.
I like it. I like it. What can the kids expect for their week at home with your class?
So for my week at home, everybody will receive a reading log. And so you will do some time reading at home, log it, have your parents sign it, and then you can just send me a picture so that you can get credit for that. I think it's very important. Everybody knows that to become a better reader, you have to read more. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a journal as well. It will be an electronic journal. The best way to become a better writer, of course, is to write. And then I will probably give one or two assignments. So when you're here with me in class on Friday before you go home for your week at home, I will give you some activities that are just extra practice for what we did in class.
Sounds like a great idea.
That's it.
Sounds like you're ready to hit the road running.
We are ready to hit the road running. I hope all the kids are too. And I think, Mrs. King, that actually I think I should take this for a minute because I believe that Mrs. King will also be in here 7th and 9th period at the end of every day.
She stuck with me twice.
Yes.
But I'll be in here for everyone. I'll be willing to help with any questions you may have. Anything that you need, we are both here for you during those periods.
Yep. Anything else?
I don't think so.
All right, so we'll see you guys next time. I hope so.